In a recent development, some native doctors and traditional medicine practitioners in the Dibia and Ezewayi in Anambra State have protested against alleged selective justice by the state government. They claim that the use of agony chamber security operatives was a witch hunt, an anti-traditional faith, and a violation of their constitutionally backed fundamental rights to practice the religion of their choice. The native doctors who gathered from various parts of the state decried the state government's stigmatization of their profession. They accused the government of using agony chamber to harass and crack down on their activities. During the protest, they offered prayers and performed rituals to resist what they describe as the governor's interference. Speaking at a secret location, the group's leader, High Priest Ikele, described Governor Charles Soludo's action as unjust and discriminatory. Ikele said, "We are not cultists or criminals, we are traditional healers serving our communities for generations." Soludo's attempt to stigmatize and suppress our activities won't succeed. However, the native doctors rejected the clampdown and vowed to continue their prayers and rituals until their demands were met. They also pledged to oppose the governor's second-term bid in November 8, 2025 election. Meanwhile, the state government has concluded plans to prosecute arrested native doctors for alleged violation of the newly unveiled Anambra State Homeland Security Law. The State Commissioner for Information, Dr. Law Mefo, confirmed plans to charge the native doctors to court upon the conclusion of investigations. In the same vein, dismissed claims that Governor Soludo's administration is opposed to traditional worship. We will continue to monitor this story for more new development. You can as well drop your opinion in the comment box section below. Please stay tuned to NaijaNews TV.